channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Welcome aboard the Progress Train. Today, we are going to go ahead and focus on experimenting because we have an entire ring to ourselves. And what's more, I am also experimenting with a different camera today. Not this one, obviously, this is the same old one, but I have another camera, and I'll show it to you in just a second here. Here we go. I'm going to be experimenting with this camera here to see how much better or clearer it might be on the ice. So we're gonna take a look at that. The ice is empty. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. Come on, clear up. There we go. Let's do this again, shall we? Empty ice. Gorgeous. So as it turns out, this bugger is even worse than the cold than the one I'm filming with now. Just lovely. So instead, I stick with this and hopefully get my spin combo choreo thing with this one. Let's go. Okay, so it's kind of sloppy, but we finally got it. It's the exact sequence I plan on using, so thank goodness. We're gonna work that to perfection, and yeah, hopefully in the future we'll be able to add on more to the end there. Okay, so the other camera didn't really work out like I hoped it would. It just kind of froze more than this one, and it just gave up most of the time that I was trying to film, so I got like 1-2-ish videos and that was it. So yeah, I don't think I'll be using it too often, but when I do, I'll try to get something good with it. Guys, so I came up with the opening choreography for the first part of the Ice Fairy. I have not been able to skate yet and it's been driving me nuts, but hopefully we'll be able to do it today just a little bit later, so long as there's not like too many people here or anything, because you know, I don't want to do it in front of you. Hey, but before I do that real quick, I'm just going to show you real quick this new entry to the LUTs I just learned. It's kind of hard and I'm not going to do it well, but we're going to give it a go anyway. Okay, so here goes nothing. So basically what happens here is that I kind of start with like this pose, like I'm sleeping, you know? Like I'm in a deep slumber or something like that, right? And then the concept here is that we kind of interact with like this little fairy light, you know what I'm saying? Like a little blue, wintry, icy fairy light. So basically it kind of starts with the pose, the slumbering pose like this. And then I just kind of awaken. And then I do a bunch of fancy stuff. And on the last little thing, I kind of like turn, and then it kind of goes something like this. Okay. And then after the twizzles, when they're not so awkward, we get kind of like a little tiptoe run into a lunge and just kind of try to take it from there. So let's see. So I'll do that here. So then I go. Okay, so then after the little lunge with the going down on one knee thing, then we kind of come up into some backwards crossovers, do some fancy 3 turns and stuff, and then we kind of go into a setup for a loop jump. Okay, so let's try this. So we do this, we're on one knee, kind of, and then we sit up. Okay, obviously I can't do much right now because we got the Zamboni coming out on the ice, so we're kind of done for today.